So since I want to add some sort of a round window to my drawing, and this round window is basically above my floor cutting plane, which is somewhere here, I cannot add that type of window using my floor plan. So in order to add all the objects in my wall assemblies that is above the section plan of the floor plan, I have to go to the, for example, isometric view or the elevation in order to add those, like for example, those windows or those objects. So I'm going to go to my south elevation, and I'm going to go to the architecture tab and go into the window. First thing I have to do is that load that family to my drawing. So I'm going to go and then load the family. I'm going to go to the Windows folder, and I'm going to find the round with trim window type. And for that one, the diameter of that window is supposed to be 36. I'm going to change this one to 36, and I'm going to go over this view, and as you can see, I can place it a little bit higher than the roof level and make sure that it's in the center, 6363, and then I'm click on that, and that's going to be placing that window in the basically above my cut plan. So let's go escape this, and let's go back to my first floor. So if I go to the first floor, if I look at this drawing, I don't see that basically that object which is above my door time, my door system. So as I mentioned, when I don't select any object, my properties basically show the properties of this view that I'm looking at. So right now I'm at the first floor, and that's basically showing me the properties for the floor plan. It says the view scale is 1/4 equal to 1, and if I go all the way down here, you see that there is something called edit range. If I click on the edit range, you see that it says that where is the location of my cut plan, and that basically show the cut plan. And then when I'm looking at the 0 level, so if I change this cut plan to 5, that's not going to change that much. Let's change it to, let's say, for example, I have to change this one first. So if I change, okay, so I'm going to change this one to 9, and I'm going to change this one to 8'6". And as you can see, I don't see the window anymore because the section cut is above that above that window level, but I still can see my round window. So I'm going to go to the edit again, and maybe it's going to be 8, 10, apply. Not anymore, I have to go a little higher than that. So let's change this one to 9 to 10 feet, and change this one to 9'6". Apply. And as you can see, as I go above that section cut, you see that I have the round window. Now I can see the round window. I can see part of my roof system, and that basically how you can change this cut plane in your view. I'm gonna bring this back to where it was before. I'm gonna go back and do this. So I'm gonna making sure that I am in the right place. Let me just edit the range. Yes, 7'6", and it's gonna be 5. So I undo this. So if I go back to my roof view, what you're gonna see is that the roof view, I don't see the roof correctly because part of it is look like it's cut through the roof system. So I have to go to the edit range and then change this one as well. So I'm gonna change the top view. I'm gonna change that one to 10, and edit range, sorry, and I change this one. So let's change this one to 12, and then change this one to 10, and apply this, and that basically shows correctly, maybe 11. It's gonna apply this, and that basically a correct format of this view. The other thing that you probably notice is that while we are in this view, I still can see what's happening underneath that. And the reason for this is that right now there is some sort of overlay, underlay of the of this floor of this roof system. Sometimes become handy because you're working on, for example, one floor and you want to know what's happening underneath that. But most of the time when you want to generate the right drawings, you don't want to see this underlay in your drawing set. So usually we turn this off. So for example, this underlay right now, it says it's going to be floor 1. If I click on that and then change that one to none, apply this change, basically what I see is the plan of the roof and I don't see what's happening underneath that roof system.